There's nothing like the thrill of live. The urge to get up and watch now. That feeling that the audience and the speakers are in this together, sharing a similar fate, if only just for a little bit. Except Simulive, which is just as great, but 3 times easier to nail for organizers. Wait, what? Let's back up. Lots of things can and will go wrong on the day of the event. A speaker might wake up ill, the internet can go down, equipment can decide to be faulty. Enter Simulive. Simulive. Pre-recorded content that you'll stream live during the event. With Simulive, you can direct sessions to utter perfection and then polish and edit to sheer flawlessness. Plus, you can add translations and subtitles so that more people can enjoy them. Then, on the big day of your event, you'll stream it as if it was live. We won't tell if you don't. Shooting it will involve some planning and scheduling, but hey, it's not like live content is such a walk in the park either. Just because it's not live doesn't mean users don't want to participate, ask questions, and interact with other attendees. Any widget and tool designed for interactivity and engagement you have on your live session should be on your Simulive ones too. And not only that, try to get the speaker and moderator available for real-time Q&A after their live session to liven it up even more. Remember, attendees don't know it's pre-recorded. Only you do. And us.